Hi, everyone. Today, we're going to learn about adverbs of frequency.
Adverbs of what?
Adverbs of frequency. They're words that we use to talk about how often we do something.
Like what?
Well, let me give you some examples. These are some common adverbs of frequency. Always means something happens all the time. Usually means something happens most of the time. Sometimes means something happens occasionally. Rarely means something almost never happens. And never means something doesn't happen at all. There are two types of adverbs of frequency: definite and indefinite. Definite adverbs of frequency specify a precise time frame, such as weekly, daily, or yearly. On the other hand, indefinite adverbs of frequency don't specify a precise time frame, like sometimes, often, and rarely. Here are some simple rules you must remember. Adverbs of frequency are often used to indicate routine or repeated activities, so they are often used with the present simple tense. If a sentence has only one verb, place the adverb of frequency in the middle of the sentence, so that it is positioned after the subject but before the verb. For example, Tom never flies. He always takes the bus. When a sentence contains more than one verb, place the adverb of frequency before the main verb. For example, they have often visited Europe.
Oh, I get it.
Great. Now let's try using these adverbs in some sentences. I always brush my teeth before bed. I usually eat breakfast in the morning. I sometimes play soccer with my friends. I rarely watch TV on school nights. I never eat broccoli.
Hey, I always brush my teeth before bed too.
That's great to hear. Now, let's play a game. I'm going to give you a sentence, and you have to tell me which adverb of frequency fits in the blank. I, blank, forget to do my homework.
Sometimes.
That's right. Now, let's try another one. My mom, blank, takes me to the park.
Usually.
Excellent. You're all doing great. That's it for today, everyone. Remember to use adverbs of frequency when you talk about how often you do something. Keep practicing, and I'll see you all soon.